In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if sent mail is read or not on Gmail and Yahoo. To do this, we are going to use an email tracking tool that adds read receipts to messages you send. A common option is MailTrack, which is often shown in Gmail as Mail Suite. The key idea is that tracking works when it is enabled on the email at the time you send it. After that, you can review your sent folder to see the tracking status. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Once you are signed in and you can see your mailbox, look to the left side menu where your mail folders appear. Find and click Sent. This will open the list of emails you have already sent. Now in the Sent list, click the email you want to check. You are looking for the message that had tracking enabled when it was sent. When you open the email, look within the message view for a small tracking line or label. Depending on your setup, it may say something like Email Tracked with Mail Suite, and you might also see an opt-out option nearby. This label is important because it confirms that the email was sent with tracking turned on. Click directly on that tracking label area. This typically opens or reveals more detailed tracking information. Take your time and look for the read status it provides. In many cases, the tracker will show whether the email was opened, and it may also include extra details like the time it was opened. If you do not see a tracking label at all, that usually means the message was not tracked, and you will not be able to confirm if it was read using this method. After you click into the tracking information, click on the highlighted tracking area again if needed to focus on the details. Some trackers expand a panel, while others display the status inline within the email. The main thing you want to confirm is whether the status indicates opened or not opened. Keep in mind that email tracking depends on the recipient loading images or allowing tracking, so results can vary. But when it works, this is the quickest way to check read status from the sent folder. And that is all there is to it.